2015 hard drive upgrade. Step 1. Using a heat gun. Heat around the edge of the iMac to loosen up the adhesive. Step 2. Use opening tool to cut through the adhesive. Step 3. Disconnect the two cables. Step 4. Remove the existing adhesive from the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Remove hard drive. Step 6. Clone hard drive. Step 7. Remove existing adhesive from the screen and iMac rear case. Step 8. Install new SSD. Step 9. Add new adhesive, reconnect cables, and secure screen back to iMac rear case.